Hello, my name is Jacob Balthazar, and I'm going to share with you a simple iTunes remote web application for the iPhone that I built, as well as some of the technologies used to create it. But first, a demo. Okay, my iPod Touch here, and it's open to a web page that contains the 3 JavaScript buttons used to control iTunes for this application. This web page is being hosted from the host computer, which contains the iTunes application running right now. And as we can see, we can just press play. It plays and it's very responsive, and you can go next and previous. Okay, now let me show you how I've implemented this. Let's start with the web interface. This is a web page written with help of Apple's Dashcode development environment. It contains just 3 simple buttons. Each of these buttons, when pressed, execute a AJAX command. This AJAX command goes in the background and sends information of which button was pushed to a CGI program written in C. This CGI program then in turn modifies a text file with the command pressed. This text file is then read by the driving program. In this case, the driving program was written in C and reads the file, and from the files, from the information entered into the file, executes a corresponding system call. This system call executes an applescript for the play, the pause, the next, which in turn commands iTunes. So just a summary of this approach again, we have the web interface accessing a CGI program modifying a file. The driver then reads the file and executes the corresponding applescript, which in turn commands iTunes. Now, this may seem like a very indirect approach, but it's actually quite powerful in that with this simple approach, we can command any arsenal of applications that are AppleScript enabled on the Mac. So you can create your own remote for the iPod and iPhone from this. Additionally, the driver program doesn't necessarily just have to be a stagnant program. If you write your own program, that program could be the program that you're commanding. So the driver program in that case would be whatever program you want, and it would read the text file modified by the CGI script. I hope this information was helpful to you, and we'll end with one last demo where I'm going to show you a little bit of the driver program. So here's a look inside the driving program. You can see that it opens up the file modified by the CGI program, and depending on which button was pressed, executes the corresponding AppleScript. Okay, so let me show you to show that this is not a fake but a real program. We have it running there. That's just the terminal program that's running in the background for the driver. And we open up our remote, this time in Safari, and we can press play. The program plays again, and pause, and next. It works smoothly. Thank you very much for watching.